Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust DPI settings on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so to do it, you will need to go to settings. DPI settings are like the pixel density, and the higher the number you set it to, the smaller the elements on the screen will be, and the lower the number you set it to, the bigger the elements on the screen will be. You'll see everything shortly. So let's go to About Tablet, then go to Software Information and find build number. Click on it 7 times, then enter your PIN pattern or password. Click on OK, and now slide down, you'll see developer options. Now here, you can scroll down to minimum width. So let's find minimum width. You can see by default on my tablet, it is 981. On yours, it may be different, so make sure to remember yours. And I will just enter a higher number. So it was 981. Let's set it to 1100, basically 1100. You can see the elements got smaller. If I set it to even a higher number, like 1300, by the way, don't go too crazy with the numbers because later the tablet might be unusable. Now you can see it's 1300, and if I'm gonna try the last time setting it to maybe 1800. Yeah, now you can see all the elements are really small. Maybe let's do one more time with 2100. And yeah, now you can also set it to a lower value, like for example it's gonna be 700. And now you can see the elements on the screen are quite big. You can also set it to, like, let's try 500. Although 500 is gonna appear like a phone, you know, with the size of everything and stuff like that. So it's a little big. I think I can't really set it lower than that. Let's try 400. No, I actually can. Okay, so that's how it works, and I'm gonna switch back to 981 and click on OK, and that'll be it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.